Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm gonna review my new purchase Kindle. Two things will be covered in this video. 1. Why I bought Kindle device. 2. Pros and cons of Kindle devices. Back in May 2018, when I first started reading books in consistent manner, I was looking for a solution to easily find and read more books. At the time I was just reading 1 or 2 books in a month. Then I scaled it up to 4 books in a month, which becomes 50 books in a year. Because I'm living in Turkey, it is almost impossible to find English books from Turkish libraries and stores, especially in self-development and financial education genre. Therefore, I ordered some books online from Amazon. Sometimes it arrived late and sometimes they were pretty expensive. Then I changed my mind to print them out, the digital version of them. For about 1 year I read books that way. And finally, a friend of mine recommended that it would be a good idea if I buy an Amazon Kindle. And I liked that idea, although I was not comfortable with reading ebooks on digital devices at that time. But because of the Kindle devices are made just for reading and they are greatly optimized for reading and they are eye-friendly devices, so I made the decision to get a Kindle device for me. The other challenge was that it was not being shipped to Turkey. As of today, literally you cannot buy it from Amazon if you are living in Turkey. Why is it so? I don't know. Then I was thinking of buying it as a second hand. I could not find out any better one. It is absolutely rare in Turkey. Therefore, I searched on Turkish online retailers and found out that some online Turkish retailers actually sell the product for about $30 difference than the Amazon price tag. Yeah, finally I could buy one for me, and it is the 10th generation of Kindle devices. It is Paperwhite 4 with 8GB memory. I love this device because it is like a library for me. I can read as much as possible, wherever I want to. Reading is a hobby for me since I was a child, and I can say that reading absolutely impacted my life for better. I highly recommend it for you. Get a Kindle device today. I am sure you will not regret in the future. It is absolutely worth it. Generally, there are 3 sources of information. 1. Friends and relatives, which in most cases do not have valuable information because on average they are on the same level as you. Second, other people like experts and mentors. Third, library and textbooks. From these 3 options, the first 2 options may not be accessible for you, but the third option is always available. You can get almost any kind of information by reading books. Now let's talk about pros and cons of this product. Let's get started with the pros. 1. Portable. Kindles are so portable and light. It is easy to carry anywhere you want, unlike the paper book. You can have access to literally thousands of your favorite books while you are traveling, or you are on the beach, or even on the road coming from or going to the work. Second, Kindle has a huge collection of free books. Kindle has a large collection of free ebooks that you can have access for free. Third, ebooks are less expensive. Unlike the paper books, ebooks are cheaper. It saves you a lot of money. Fourth, dictionary feature. Kindle has access to Oxford English Dictionary. Just put cursor near the word, you can see the definition of the word immediately. Fifth, eco-friendly. Unlike the paper books that take a huge space, it takes absolutely no space compared to the physical library. Sixth, e-reader tools such as Kindle devices can increase your reading volume up to 50 to 60%. Seventh, anti-glare screen. Kindle comes with a special light contrast screen that allows you to read even in bright sunshine without any glare. The text and fonts are clear, and its sharp display gives the same experience as if you are reading paper book. You can adjust the brightness so you can read in dark. 8. Privacy. One of the most important features is that no one can tell you what you're reading. There can be some books that you want to keep to yourself, that make you feel uncomfortable in public. With Kindle, you don't need to worry about it anymore. Now let's talk about the cons of the Amazon Kindle. First, divide the feel of a paper book. Physical books have the unique feel of a book that many readers love. Kindle fails to provide that feeling to the readers. You can hold a book, turn the page, and feel the paper, but with Kindle each page is displayed on the screen and doesn't feel like a book. Kindle is not a book, rather it is a device that replicates physical book. That's why you don't get the same feeling with Kindle that you can get with the real book. Second, affect eyes. Paper books are easier on the eyes since there is no eye strain that comes with an electronic device. Prolonged staring at the screen can directly affect the eyesight, causes irritation in the eyes, sometimes it gives a headache too. Third, book collection. If collecting books is a hobby for you, as it is for many book lovers out there, since Kindle allows you to keep thousands of books in one place, therefore you don't have a physical library of your favorite books in your house. In conclusion, we can say that Kindle is a great tool for reading ebooks, and its several benefits made it more popular in recent years. It is easy for reading, and easy to download ebooks, and comfortable to carry. With all these features, it has the potential to replace hard copy textbooks in the future.